Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I will show you how to securely log into your Tesco Bank account online using a desktop or a web browser. So let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser of your preference. In the URL box, type in tescobank.com and search. You'll then be able to see the official website for Tesco Bank. In the home page, find the sign in button or the login button, which should appear at the top right section. Click on it and you'll end up in the sign in area. Go ahead and enter your login details. Type in your credentials associated with your Tesco online banking account in the first field. If you don't remember your username, click on I've forgotten my username and follow through the instructions. If you want the system to remember your username on this specific device, check this Remember Username box, but if you are using a public device, make sure to leave the box unchecked before clicking Login. After entering your detail, click Login and on the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you type in your password detail carefully to avoid login errors, and depending on your account, Tesco Bank may ask you for security questions or one-time passcode sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the code when prompted and you'll be able to access your account's dashboard. After logging in, you can check your balance, view statements, make payments, transfer funds, and manage your account settings. If you are using public device, make sure that you log out after your online banking session so that you can keep your account secure. So that's it. That's how you successfully log into your Tesco Bank account online using a desktop or a web browser. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you and stay safe.